any state witness for that matter would have to be the least guilty in the entire conspiratorial chain in the commission of the crime. The way we appreciate the evidence on hand, what we have now so far, as of this time, she's not the least guilty. So we wouldn't be open to that discussion until and unless we get higher on the food chain in relation to the crime that this group has committed. And if in our appreciation of the evidence during that time, future time yan, hindi current time, if she appears to be the least guilty and she would be able to point at other principals higher than her, why not? Pero at some this moment po, hindi po kami open sa commission. Again, we're not the prosecutor, it would be the prosecutors who would evaluate that.